Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Alicia and this is Heart and Hand Creations and Events. I'm coming on, guys, because I just wanted to apologize for not paying attention to the guidelines for going live on YouTube. You have to have at least 1,000 plus subscribers in order to, get the fringe benefits. So on that note, I don't have 1,000 subscribers, but I do have one new subscriber. Thank you for subscribing. And I just want to say, hit that notification bell. I hope you did, so that each time I upload a new video, you will know. And grandkids. I got a house full right now. But anyway, and this is my 6th take on this video, so I'm really trying to get it out. All right, so listen, I'm going to be doing the live on Instagram. My Instagram is Heartinhandnj. So come and check me out there. You'll see the heart and hand, and you'll know that's me. And this will be Friday, April 3rd at 8 p.m. on Instagram. So I'll leave that information in the description box below. So you guys just hang in there with me, and I hope I'll see you on Friday. All right. So talk to you guys later. Bye bye.